Hi Year 4, hope you're all okay and welcome to our final lesson of this term and our final lesson on fractions. So today's lesson is a bit different. So you're going to just be practicing your knowledge on fractions today. We're not learning anything new. Because we finished our unit on fractions, you are going to complete your final unit test on mathletics. Now I hate that it's called a test, but that's just what it's called on mathletics. So when you log in, it will say test, and I don't like to call it that because it's not really a test. It's just for you to just practice what you've learned, and it's for me to see what you remember and what kind of things we might have to go over again at some point. So don't be scared by the fact that it's called a test. Just try your best, and that's what you can do. Okay, so you're going to do your test in a minute. You're going to go to Mathletics and do that, and then after that you can play some fraction games. Okay, I thought that would be a nice way for you to just practice the knowledge that you've learned and just have a bit of fun, really, since it's the last lesson of the term. So your first task then is to go on to Mathletics and complete the test on fractions. Remember, don't worry, just because it's called a test doesn't mean that it matters too much. Just try your best, and that's all I can ask for you. And then it's just for me to see which parts we need to go over again at some point in the future. Once you've done that, your second task is you can either play some online games on a website called Top Marks, or you can print off a board game PDF, which I've got on the website, to play with someone at home. So you will need some, like a die and a counter for that. So if you have that available at home and you have a printer, then that would be great. Or you can also watch some videos on fractions, because there's quite a few on BBC Bite Size, if you want to kind of go over anything, or you can rewatch any of these YouTube videos. But I'm sure you'd much rather play games anyway. So some of the online games then, so what you need to do is type into Google, so this is after you've done your Mathletics, Top Marks, or your other internet browser, and then on Top Marks, if you search for fractions, then a whole selection of games will come up and you can play any of them. You can work from the top of the list and go down, is up to you. I don't mind too much which ones you play, it's just a bit of practice really and a bit of fun. If you're printed off the board game, then this is what it looks like. It's just a screenshot. So it's just a simple board game, and there's a fraction wall at the top corner to help you with it. So if you have someone at home to play with, then that would be great for you to have a go at. But if not, then I'm more than happy for you just to play the online games. And then if you do want to watch some videos, then if you type in onto your internet browser, BBC Bite Size, Key Stage 2, fraction class clips, and there's loads of class clips that come up, which just might help you with some of the things we've talked about over the last few weeks. So that's everything really. This is a really short video just to kind of explain what we're doing today, because there's no new learning. There's nothing really I need to teach you or show you today. It was just a quick video just to tell you where to find everything and what you're expected to do today. So you need to go to your Mathletics, and then once you've completed your test on there, which shouldn't take too long, then you can go onto Top Marks and play some games, or you can print off the board game, or you can watch some fraction videos on BBC Bite Size. That's everything for today. Hopefully you enjoy your lesson, and I hope you all have a great half term.